Hey there, welcome back to Suretriggers. Do you know that sending WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets is really easy now? In today's video, I will show you how you can connect your Google Sheets with WhatsApp. Once you add a WhatsApp contact number on your Google Sheets, an instant automatic WhatsApp message will be sent to your recipient's phone number. Sounds cool, right? So this is Devraj from Team Suretriggers. Let's discuss this with an example. Suppose you are a business owner and you are running an educational institute. Students come to your institute and get admitted. At that time, you collect their names, their WhatsApp number, and other information to communicate with them. After that, you send them WhatsApp messages manually one by one regarding your institute fees, institute course, and other details. This can be a quite hectic process for you. You are repeating a work again and again. You are typing a message and sending it one by one manually. It's consuming a lot of time and effort. But we have a solution for you. Using Suretriggers, you can simply automate this process. Once you add a WhatsApp contact number on your Google Sheets, an automatic instant WhatsApp message will be sent to the recipient's phone number. It's a very easy and non-repetitive process. The whole thing will be automated by Suretriggers. Suretriggers basically is an automation tool where you can connect multiple WordPress sites, plugins, and web applications like Stripe, Resume, Google Forms, Google Sheets, etc. with each other and automate your repetitive works. So using Suretriggers, you will be able to automate the whole process and save your precious time and energy. One more thing, not only WhatsApp messages, you can also able to send text messages via Twilio. So for that, you need to make a connection between Google Sheets and Twilio using Suretriggers. That video is already posted in our channel. You can watch that. The link will be in the description box. So in this video, we'll use Google Sheets as a trigger application and WhatsApp as an action application. Let's start the video. I will explain everything, what is trigger, action, and what is workflow. Okay, so keep watching the video till the end and let's go to my computer screen. Suretriggers.com, this is the official website of Suretriggers. If you have not signed up yet, you can simply sign up and enjoy your free trial. I have already an account. I will be signing in here. So this is the main dashboard of Suretriggers. Here you can see that different type of stats present here, like the number of tasks, the number of active workflows, etc. So we need to create a workflow. So for that, go to the workflow section, and here you can see that if you are creating the first workflow, the interface will be this type. Okay, so click on create workflow option and suppose name it Google Sheets to WhatsApp and click on create button. Workflow created successfully. This is the main interface of the workflow and it is asking for to add the trigger. Basically, workflow is the sequence of step-by-step works that are performed systematically. Okay, suppose you turn on a switch and then the light comes on. Here, turning on switch is the trigger and the light turning on is the action. Our trigger application is Google Sheets, right? So for that, you need a sheet in Google Sheets. I have already created a sheet on Google Sheets. I will use that. This is the Google Sheets that I created a few minutes ago. So go to Suretriggers and click on add trigger button. Trigger is the starting point of a workflow. Okay, so search for Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets trigger. Now we need to select the event. Event is new or updated spreadsheet row. It means when you add a new data in the row, then the trigger will happen. Okay, the workflow will start. So select new or updated spreadsheet row. Now it is showing the webhook URL. It is the most important thing. It will help us to connect Suretriggers with your Google Sheets. Okay, copy this webhook URL. Next, you can see that it is showing that please execute the event. We are waiting for the new or updated spreadsheet row event. Okay, so for that, we need to install the Suretriggers webhook extension here. Click on extensions and click on add-ons. Then go to get add-ons. We have already installed the Suretriggers webhook extension here. If you're using it first time, then you need to install that. Just search for Suretriggers. Here you can see that the Suretriggers webhook present, and simply install it and connect it with your Google account. Okay. For now, I am closing this pop-up. Again, going to extensions, and next click on Suretriggers webhook and click on start setup. You can see that the webhook URL is automatically pasted here, and our trigger column is column B, because column B is the last column where we are adding the data. So our final data column is column B. This is why the trigger column is B. Next, click on submit and click on send test. You can see that data sent successfully. Okay, close the pop-up. Now again go to extensions and go to Suretriggers webhook and make sure that this option is enabled. Currently it is enabled. Okay, if you click here, it will disable the sending data option. Okay, make sure that it is enabled. Next, suppose we are adding a new data. Now go to Suretriggers. Here we can see that the data we entered on the Google Sheets is already present here. Okay, this is because Suretriggers successfully fetched the data from Google Sheets. This means it's working fine. From next time when you will add the data on Google Sheets, it will be automatically fetched. Okay, so click on save button. Our trigger is set. Now we need to add our action application, which is WhatsApp. For that we need WhatsApp Cloud API. For WhatsApp Cloud API, there is a separate video in our channel, how to get WhatsApp Cloud API from developers.facebook.com actually. So from here you will be able to get the WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so watch that video. The link will be in the description box. For now, I am closing this window and going to Suretriggers to add the action. You can see that action is an event that is performed after the trigger event is run. Okay, it means based on the trigger, the action will happen. Okay, so search for WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp Cloud API. Next, we need to add the event here. So there are two events, send text messages and send template messages. Okay, for the template messages, you can create your own template on WhatsApp Cloud API, and after a few hours, the template will be approved by the Facebook team. After that, you can use the template message. And for the send text message, you need to verify the recipient's number actually. Okay, so for that, I am selecting the template message. Using template message, you can send messages to any WhatsApp number. Okay, but WhatsApp Cloud API is a paid platform, so you can check according to your requirements. Okay, for that I am selecting the template message and we are selecting the connection. Next, click on this drop down and click on this. Next, we need to select the template name. I am selecting the simple template here, hello world, selecting the language code. Next, it is asking for the recipient's phone number. By typing @ you will be able to map the data. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp number that is fetched from the Google Sheets. Click on it. So once you select the phone number here for the first time, then from the next time, Suretriggers will be able to map the data automatically because this is a dynamic field. Okay, next we need to click on the test action button. We need to click the test action button to check whether all the functionality is properly working or not. Okay, so clicking on it, action tested successfully, and here you can see that the response is present here. Okay, now check your WhatsApp. You will receive a message from WhatsApp there. Okay, so clicking on the save button. Our action application is also set. So this is a workflow actually. This is the trigger and this is the action. I think the concept is clear. Now we need to publish the workflow. Okay, click on the publish button. The workflow published successfully. From the next time when you will add any data on this Google Sheets, okay, suppose the name and the WhatsApp number, it will be automatically fetched by the Suretriggers and an instant WhatsApp message will be sent. I think the process is easy. If you run into any blockers, you can simply drop us an email and we will get back to you. For today, goodbye and see you in the next video.